The washing machine. First you have to, of course, place your clothes in the washing machine, and then you take some powder from this cupboard. You can, for example, take this one. And we have a plastic thing which you fill about 1/3, for example, like this. And then you place this one in the washing machine. You can also just pour in the soap like this, so it's in the washing machine, and take this one over here. And then you turn on the washing machine with this button here, and the display goes on, and then you can close the door like that. And per default it's set at 60 degrees. Normally we choose 40 degrees like that. It takes 2 hours and 29 minutes, and then you start by pressing this button. And that's it about the washing machine.